Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video tonight about this, and I don't use the distort tool enough, and I don't really know when the distort tool started. I don't really remember, but one way you can do it if you do not have the distort tool, you can just draw a straight line. Take your shape tool, select everything, and go up here and add nodes. And then select everything and right click and turn everything into a curve. Set your nudge factor on something like 2 inches, let's say. Grab your shape tool again. Grab your item. And then every other node, well, you don't even have to do, you could do up and down, up, down, up, down. I'm just doing the top or the up and the lower arrow keys, and you could set your nudge factor on whatever you wanted. So this is, I hit it to the wrong direction. This is one way you could do a pretty good symmetrical, but because I don't use the distort tool enough, I've kind of forgotten, and I was just playing around with it a while ago. So if you go to distort and you click on your item and you, well, let's see if I'm on the right one. I didn't have it selected. Go to the distort tool and then start making your boxes or making your point and then raising your points. And then earlier I had to go to the, turn it into a curve. Well, right here, you can go smooth distortion. And how easy is that? And then you could change it, whatever you wanted it to be. Kind of like we originally did in this exercise a while ago, making that, and then you would just, of course, take that and just rotate it to whatever degree you want and do what we did in the previous video. So if you didn't watch the first part on how to draw that, you might want to watch that too. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.